Yo, 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 what it do? It's your brother G. Holding it down. Y'all already know we out here on Alameda Beach. Fucking with it. You know what I'm talking about? I don't lose my accent. What beaches out here? Where the hoes at? Move the fuck out my video, bitch.
You gotta go with them. I ain't gonna understand.
You gonna start rapping?
You the
See
candy
me?
queen,
Y'all already know how it is. I got my niggas up in this bitch. Who my niggas? My nigga John. Got my nigga Curry up in this thing. Hold on, Curry. What you rapping, Curry?
70s, man, you feel me?
DP 70.
Let's stop throwing candy.
I got my nigga Marquez up in this bitch. Yeah, this nigga Marquez. Why the fuck you throwing candy at Cash?
I'm rich, bitch. The birds coming, nigga. You don't have shit.
Oh shit! Birds coming.
Johnny fat ass. Like, give me your candy, motherfucker.
Give me a candy. I just throw some worms up.
Oh, damn. Oh, shit, dude.
Ah, the birds! Attacking the motherfucking birds! These birds following us, bro. Hold on, hold the camera, bro. Hold the camera.
Y'all
They're trying to
fucking
shit on us, bro.
Y'all fucking a video.
Yeah. Do some worms, come on.
That shit up. What the hell is this?
You getting this shit? You see this YouTube? Look, let's be scared of the bitch.
Stop bringing them motherfuckers over here, man. God damn, that's a lot of motherfucking. I stopped playing now, but that shit not cool no more. But stop, man. Bro, I'm gonna stop recording, bro. Stop throwing that shit, bro. That shit not funny, man.
They following us, bro. Come on.
Why y'all keep throwing up fucking candy here? Stop. Nigga, stop. Here, but fucking
It's your
record
boy
your own
Lil'G.
shit.
It's your boy Lil'G. Birds love candy. We out this thing. Peace.